Practiced every day, had a whole life plan. While kids play ball, he learned his scales, perfecting each little note without fail. Fingers dance fast on the strings each night, chasing that sound till the timing felt right. He closed his eyes, let the bow glide slow. Every song played made his confidence grow. We pictured the stage and the spotlights gleam. Hearing applause felt just like a dream. When the school posted who got first chair, he ran to the list, heart floating in the air. But there it was, name shining like gold. Amelia Chang had a top spot to hold. His chest sank low, his smile turned thin, and doubt started slowly creeping in. It's not about winning or playing all alone. Sweet music comes from the love we've shown. When we lift each other, spirits take flight. Playing as one makes us all shine bright. Help your friends and you always see teamwork makes the sweetest melody. At the next rehearsal, Ryan slouched in his chair, tapping his bow while pretending not to care. When the violins played, he messed up the sound. A note here, a slip there, his face held a frown. He saw Amelia glance, confusion in her face, but he just kept on playing at the wrong pace. Inside, he thought maybe now she'll slip, but that thought alone made his stomach twist. Mr. Cox stopped rehearsals and looked his way. Ryan, what's up? Is everything okay today? He shrugged and muttered, just feeling blue. But pride was the reason. Deep down he knew the guilt in his heart was heavy and sore. He never played that way on purpose before. He knew right there it was a low move to make, a choice that would bring pain and heartache. It's not about winning or playing all alone. Sweet music comes from the love we've shown. When we lift each other, spirits take flight. Playing as one makes us all shine bright. Help your friends and you'll always see teamwork makes the sweetest melody. Ryan wandered off to the Everglades green, violin case swinging lost in the scene. He sat on the grass, knees tucked in tight, feeling small like a star with faded light. The dragonflies hummed, the air stood still till a shadow dropped in with a voice so chill. It was MC Sparrow in a red cap and kicks, looking ready to drop some truth that sticks. What's got you low like the bass in a sad beat? Your joy's gone missing, why the look of defeat? Amelia got first chair, Ryan sadly confessed, so I played badly and tried to make her less. Sparrow nodded, that's Envy's dog song, but playing that tune will steer you all wrong. Lift the music and love, don't push it down. Your gift is truly special, spread it around. Jealousy's a wall that blocks your path, it keeps friends away, no joy to have. When someone wins, be glad they do. Someday they'll cheer just as loud for you. Every player makes the song complete, but no one wins when you play off beat. Celebrate others and clap your hands, be a friend to the end, a true loving fan. Next rehearsal day, Ryan sat tall and strong, determined to play where his notes belong. When Amelia's grand solo began, right on cue, he matched her tempo, steady, smooth and true. The violin sang, create magic for the ears. Each note, a happy tone, wonderful to hear. He focused on playing, letting the music lead. No bitter thoughts, just the sound they need. After the song, Amelia turned with a wide grin. Thank you, Ryan, you helped that piece win. Ryan smiled back, Amelia, you sounded great. You played with such skill, not a single mistake. Mr. Cox caught Ryan's eye, beaming with pride. He gave a quiet nod, Ryan had change inside. He didn't take first chair, it just wasn't his time, but he still found the lesson in Sparrow's rhyme. It's not